Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to be going over how does Viral Vue actually work. Now, if you're like me, 4 months ago, you might have come across this software called Viral Vue and you've never heard of it. And so you might have searched it up on YouTube. And if you actually search up Viral Vue on Google, you'll see that there's not a lot of people talking about it. Okay? The main people talking about it is the actual creators of Viral Vue, and they don't even have 1,000 subscribers, right? So you're thinking like, is this even a tool that's useful for me? Now with Viral Vue, I decided to just give it a shot because there's no better way to actually go ahead and test out a tool other than to try it out yourself. And so if you're interested in trying out Viral Vue also, you can check out the link down below in the description and use the code WELCOME10 to get 10% off your monthly subscription for lifetime. Now, after having used Viral Vue for about 4 months, I can confidently say that it has drastically increased my Amazon earnings, and in a very, very good way. So with Viral Vue, what it essentially is that it's like, I'd like to think of it as like multiple tools within this singular software. So the first feature that I like about Viral Vue and how to use it, it's the accepted related campaigns feature for creator connections. So my recommendation is that you be familiar with creator connections because that's how Viral Vue has drastically helped my earnings, and it's through the creator connection campaigns. So after you sign up with Viral Vue with the link down below in the description and then install the extension, like how I have here, you want to go to creator connections and click on accepted related campaigns. Afterwards, this window is going to pop up. You want to make sure you check the boxes for accept tagged and accept autolink. Next, just click on start. And then afterwards, what Viral Vue is going to do is that it's going to find all the related campaigns to all your Amazon influencer videos. So this is going to take some time depending on how many videos you have. For me, for example, I have like over 1,000 videos on my storefront. So it took about 30 minutes. And so you can see here that after a couple minutes, it starts to find campaigns and accepts those campaigns for you. So after a minute, it's accepted one campaign. And then basically you just want to wait until it's found all the related campaigns to your videos. So after 30 minutes, it's found 11 campaigns. And then the next button you want to click is submit all content. And then what that's going to do is that it's going to submit all your Amazon influencer videos, which you have campaigns for. So this feature makes it super easy, super automated. It's just clicking a few buttons, and you can see that I've submitted 8 links to these campaigns that it's accepted for. So now I'm at over 600 campaigns. So before using Viral Vue, I used to only be a part of like 50 campaigns. After using Viral Vue, I'm now a part of over 600 campaigns, guys. And so this is all done through Viral Vue. And what I like about it is it's just a few clicks. Like it literally is just click 2 buttons, wait some time, and then see your earnings increase just because you're a part of more campaigns. Now, a couple of things to note. I have over 1,000 videos in my Amazon storefront. I do think Viral Vue would be useful for you if you have at least 100 videos on your storefront because you may not know which videos have creator connection campaigns for. So that increase of 3% commission to like 15% commission is going to be absolutely huge. So if you don't have over 100 videos just yet, I'd say film all the videos in your house, film all the videos in your parents' house, film all the videos in your friends and family members' houses so that you could actually build a nice library. Now, the next thing with Viral Vue is that I no longer have to buy samples. Every day, I probably get like 1 to 2 items show up at my doorstep, which is absolutely awesome. And so Viral Vue has like this messaging system. And how it works is that this is done through Creator Connections again. You click on the Creator Connections, you click on their messaging system, and you can check the box for items which you want to message or request samples for. So for here, for example, I checked a few boxes. Next, you just click on send messages, and you can see that it sent 10 messages to 10 different companies asking for samples. So this is a really good way to have a constant flow of new products coming in. You can create Amazon influencer videos on those products. And you could also upload those videos onto YouTube as well, which is something that not a lot of people talk about. But after you're done with those items, you can resell them on OfferUp or Facebook Marketplace. So the messaging system alone I'm pretty sure I've received well over close to $3,000 worth of products by now over the past 4 months. And slowly, one by one, I'm reselling them, or I just either donate them to friends and family members. But the messaging system is also really neat when it comes to Viral Vue. Now, the other way that Viral Vue works that I particularly use it is I use it for shopping. And so nowadays, when I go shopping or I want items, I'll actually go ahead and search it up on Amazon. I'll click on the Viral Vue extension, and then I'll click on Product View. And then what Viral Vue is going to do is that it's going to give me a viral score and tell me which products I have the best chances at ranking for. So there's this patio chair set of 6, which I can probably make a video for, and my video is going to rank. So I'll most likely buy this patio chair set of 6. But that's essentially my 3 ways of how I use Viral Vue to actually grow on Amazon. And if you're interested in trying out Viral Vue yourself, check out the link down below in the description. Use the code WELCOME10. You won't know how Viral Vue works for you until you actually try it out yourself. But if you guys have any questions, let me know in the comments down below. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.